Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I thought I would do a little unboxing from Nailstuff.ca, which is a Canadian nail polish website where you can find indie brands from the UK and I think mostly from the UK, but some of them are from other places. But I know a few specifically like Cadillacquer and Hard as Nails that are from the UK. So I just wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys today to show you what I got during their sale. So let's just get into it. All right. So up here, I basically just got this to fill my order for free shipping, but these are just water marble nail stickers. Super cute. I don't usually do water marble nail, just sorry, I can't speak today. Nail water marbling, just because it takes a lot of time and it can get really messy and time consuming. So I thought these stickers would be super cute. So that's the first one. Let's drop the second one over here. Second one is one from Starly, and this is a topper, holographic topper. I never used to really like holographic finishes, but you know, after seeing them in the sun, I think I had to get a topper instead of just buying like holographic polishes. So I thought this saved me some money. So this is Starly's Eclipse. Yeah, it's a holographic topper. You can basically put it onto any polish and it will become holographic. So yeah, I started collecting lots of holos, but when I figured I liked the finish, I might as well just get a topper to save me some money. So that's the first one I got, Starly Eclipse. Just put it over here. And next one up is one from Damn Polish. This is holographic, but I don't really have a lot of vibrant oranges like this in my collection, so I decided to pick this one up. This one is called Carnelian. Yeah, super pretty. And with that burnt orange, I'm obsessed. So it's actually a lot more vibrant than it is picking up on the camera, but yeah, that's Carnelian. Next one up I got is another one from Damn Polish. And this is just the same one as this one, but except it's just in the shade of yellow, and which is my favorite color, by the way. But it's not my favorite color to wear on my nails. The favorite color right now is purple. So that is called Yellow Topaz. Yeah, it's just a yellow holographic. It's really nice for the summertime, which is coming up. So I probably put this on my summertime rack. But I also have another yellow holographic by Nailstuff.ca that's called Corn Maze. And that one's really nice too. And I actually thought they were going to be dupes, so I'm glad they're not. That one is more of like a fall yellow, and this one's definitely more summer. So that one was Yellow Topaz. Next up, we have one from Cadillacquer, which is honestly easily becoming one of my favorite indie brands because her finishes are just so incredibly unique. This one is called Brighten Up Your Day. So, it's basically just a highlighter yellow with those multicolored flakies in it. Beautiful, you guys. Look at that. And I'm usually not a fan of neons, but I wanted a polish by Polish called Bread and Butterflies, which is the cutest name ever. I mostly wanted it for the name, but it was like this color. And I actually like this one better because the flakies are more pronounced. So yeah, I really love that one. So that was Brighten Up Your Day by Cadillacquer. Next one in here that I got is another one from Cadillacquer. This is one of their thermals that came out this spring, I believe. So this one is called Flora, and it is a thermal changing polish, tri-thermal. I believe it changes from, this is the cold state right now, so it's a vibrant purple with those pink flakies, and then it turns to a I think it's a really dark pink, so kind of like what the flakies look like. So yeah, I really love that. And I'm not a fan of thermals, but with the quality that Cadillacquer I've experienced with them, I'm not too afraid to have this on my shelf. I'm hoping the shelf life will last longer than, you know, a month. But yeah, I'm excited to write that. That is Flora. Ooh, you guys, look at this one. This is from Hard as Nails. This is coming up way more like silver, but it's actually very blue. And it's very like ethereal looking with that blue shimmer in it. It's called Celestial, which is fitting. The Ethereal collection, look at that. So, yeah, I really love this one. And Hard as Nails, they're based out of the UK, but their polishes are incredibly unique. I have about 3 others from them, and I really just love their finishes. They're really unique, and I don't have a lot of wintry shades in my collection, like this frosty blue one, so I'm really excited to try this. So that was Celestial by Hard as Nails. And the last one is another Cadillacquer. This is also another thermal. It's called Haru. I'm not sure what these names mean. If you guys know, please let me know. But this is actually also another thermal, and this goes from a nice dark orange to sorry, not a dark orange, a dark brown, to a very, very nice burnt flaky orange. So I'm really excited to try that as well. Like I said, thermals, they're not my favorite because of the shelf life, and I'll have to tell you guys a story about that for another video. But yeah, that's like Cadillacquer. They're just killing it. I really enjoy her polishes. They're super unique, and there's a lot more that I want to get, but they're just not available on the website. But yeah, no, I really love this one. That is Haru, and I'll definitely have to do some swatches for you guys. But today I just wanted to do a little unboxing. So my favorite finishes I like to wear are definitely flakies. So yeah, I had to pick these guys up because look at the flakies. They're gorgeous. So yeah, guys, that is Cadillacquer's Haru. So that was my little haul from Nailstuff.ca. She usually has pretty good sales, so I would really check the site out often. And she always writes you these little handle thank you from her, which is really sweet. So yeah, guys, that was my haul. Let me know if you have any of these, and if you picked them up, if you tried them. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. See ya.